What if the most powerful health booster in your home isn't in your medicine cabinet? What if it's sitting quietly in your kitchen right now? A simple spice, a golden powder, a daily health secret that millions of people overlook. Turmeric. But why has turmeric been used for centuries? Why do people around the world swear by it? And what exactly happens when you start adding it to your daily routine? Could one spoonful really make a difference? Can something so common offer so many benefits? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll discover 5 amazing health benefits of turmeric, and why every home should always keep this golden spice within reach. Let's get started. Number 1. Turmeric helps fight inflammation. Did you know that inflammation is often called the silent trigger behind many health problems? When your body experiences injury or infection, inflammation is actually a good thing. It's your body's natural defense system. But what happens when inflammation sticks around for too long? That's when problems can begin. Persistent inflammation has been linked to joint discomfort, fatigue, and various long-term health concerns. This is where turmeric becomes so interesting. Turmeric contains a powerful natural compound called curcumin. Curcumin is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and has been the focus of many scientific studies. Have you ever noticed people drinking turmeric tea or adding turmeric to warm milk? One reason is that many believe it helps support the body's natural response to inflammation. That's why turmeric has become a favorite ingredient for people looking to support their overall wellness naturally. Number 2. Turmeric may help support a stronger immune system. How often do you think about your immune system? Usually only when you're sick, right? But what if you could support your body's defenses before problems arise? Your immune system works around the clock to protect you from harmful invaders. Every day it's fighting battles you don't even know about. Turmeric contains compounds that may help support healthy immune function. Many people include turmeric in soups, teas, and healthy recipes during cold seasons because they believe it helps keep their bodies strong and resilient. Is turmeric a miracle cure? No. But can it be a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle? Absolutely. And that's one more reason every household should keep some turmeric nearby. Number 3. Turmeric may support digestive health. Have you ever felt bloated after eating? Have you ever experienced occasional digestive discomfort? You're not alone. Good digestion is essential for overall health because your body depends on it to absorb nutrients properly. For centuries, turmeric has been used in traditional practices to support digestion and promote gut comfort. Many people find that incorporating turmeric into their meals helps them feel lighter and more comfortable after eating. Why? Because turmeric may help support healthy digestive processes and encourage the production of digestive fluids. A healthy gut can influence everything from your energy levels to your overall well-being. Could a simple spice help support your digestive system? Many people believe the answer is yes. Number 4. Turmeric may help support heart health. Did you know your heart beats about 100,000 times every single day? Think about that for a moment. Your heart works tirelessly from the day you're born. So what are you doing to take care of it? Researchers have explored turmeric's potential role in supporting cardiovascular health. One reason is curcumin's antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help protect cells from damage caused by unstable molecules known as free radicals. Why does that matter? Because protecting your cells is an important part of maintaining overall health. While turmeric is not a substitute for a balanced diet, exercise, and proper medical care, many people include it as part of a heart-conscious lifestyle. After all, every small healthy habit adds up over time. Number 5. Turmeric is packed with antioxidants. Here's a question. What causes aging at the cellular level? One major factor is oxidative stress. Over time, free radicals can contribute to wear and tear within the body. This is where antioxidants become important. Turmeric is rich in antioxidant compounds that help support the body's natural defense against oxidative stress. Think of antioxidants as tiny protectors, helping your body deal with everyday challenges. Isn't it amazing that something as simple as a kitchen spice can provide such valuable support? No wonder turmeric has earned its reputation as one of nature's most celebrated superfoods. Why every home should have turmeric. So why should every home keep turmeric on hand? Because it's versatile, it's affordable, it's easy to add to meals, and it offers multiple potential health benefits in one simple ingredient. You can add it to soups, mix it into smoothies, sprinkle it into rice dishes, blend it into tea, or combine it with warm milk for a comforting evening drink. A small amount can go a long way, and unlike many expensive wellness products, turmeric is accessible to almost everyone. So, what did we learn today? Turmeric may help support healthy inflammation levels. It may help strengthen immune function. It may support digestion. It may contribute to heart health. And it's packed with powerful antioxidants. Not bad for a simple golden spice, right? The next time you walk into your kitchen, take a look at that container of turmeric. Could it be one of the most valuable ingredients in your home? Let me know in the comments. Do you already use turmeric, and what's your favorite way to enjoy it? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next health and wellness video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.